Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Oh, uya matinyana. Yeah, so uya. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Yeah. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Say, I call you Jireh, say. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. Will me ground cover? 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
Na ɛyɛ BWF Solicitors yi, sɛ wopɛ sɛ wokɔ ha, how can you get there? By tube, wokɔ Seven Sisters Tube Station a, na we use the exit 2 a, wobɛtumi a find a way to fourth floor of Anna House. And now, so what the bus na ɛkɔ nso a, bus 149, bus 76, bus 243, bus 259, bus 279, bus 318, bus 476. Ɛde bɛkɔ hɔ. Sɛ wo driving so a, Tesco, omo car parking, wotimi park wɔ hɔ for free, for 90 minutes. Sɛ asɛm bi na ato na wenya emergency na wo hwehwɛ lawyer ama ne di wasɛm ama wo a, BWF Solicitors ebitimi ayɛ ama wo. Na emergency numbers a wohia ɛno na mede ɛba abɛto dwa yi. 077127 61884. Uncle Bernard ne nama ena media to dwa no 077127 61884. Ena se ope lawyer Eunice nso a 07535813910. Na the main office landline no 0208 493 7340. Mema wakwa babium. Safiansa we do fide na to her. Thanks for joining us. It's Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM on your DAB digital audio broadcast. We are live on Facebook via Rainbow Radio UK. Welcome to the Legal Hour.
The pages of my life.
Good morning, Uncle Ben. Okay, me pacho maintain wonka. I can't hear.
I am mute.
Me
Okay.
pacho, yes. Now I can hear you. Good morning.
Good.
Okay. It's saying.
Adum. Na me dofo ben na me na ka say.
Me pacho me dia Irene.
Oh, Irene.
Pacho.
It is saying ohima na nkasa no abai. Oh, absolutely pleasure. Absolutely pleasure. I hope someone you know here.
Nyame adom ye na ye ho ye anapay ma fa prophet Kondra kakra.
Yes.
Enti me hwe se metimi atena mu a.
Me le chopa so bitimi atenam. Na Dr. Mark ho te say.
Me pacho ne ho ye, obia ho ye. BWF ebusuako ne nso obia ho ye.
Adom nyame adaroma anopɛ ɔde akyɛ yɛn yɛnya asɔre mpamu deɛ akyɛ sɛ nyame di akyi nti ɔdi akyi nko ha deɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛ ho yɛ aseda nso yɛde ma Rainbow Radio nti megya ama wo na wadi wo dwuma.
Yo, anapay so BWF for abeka yensa legal hour Thursday bia yɛde brɛ mu no ɛno na anapay yɛde ahyehyɛ sui na sɛnea yɛyɛ no anapay bia no sɛ yɛ start a yɛbisa Uncle Ben say since last week yɛbaeɛ no update bɛn ɛna aba enti no yɛbɛgye update saa na program no tiɛ yɛgye update wi a na subject for discussion no Uncle Ben Edia Tudra na what church training and Numa being so wiki be a treaty a different topic inti and then so no minimnia Uncle Ben Womayan but or the praying after the update. Now if you want so na yafa a bit of phone calls or questions was saying be say be a wo efa was sitting mu e wo kromu ha no legally no utime efre na ubisa enti anapesa ena yebeko no na mesa yedi bedi dwuma anapay sani amidi kankaye no 0208133446 0208133446 so upese wo a texting so abit me a texte 07771950989 text no the ultimate the message in about at any time because when the time is right to ask questions, once I have your message here, I will read it out. BWF Solicitors are located on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, 7 Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Office number no 0208 493 7340. So when you're emergency, we emergency contact numbers. 077-127-61884. Uncle Bernard ne direct number for emergencies. And lawyer Eunice 07535813910. BW4 numbers na media to Jan. Now so person call by tube there. Na 7 Sisters tube station and ube pese ube kwa kudru. Na so udru ha ube pe exit number 2. Exit number 2. Na wa afaho EPA to 4th floor Anna House. Buses and so bus 149, bus 76, bus 243, bus 259, bus 279, bus 318, and a bus 476. So we'll call her by your own personal car. Uhia postcode no N15 4NP. Udru Honswa Tesco omo car parking wutimi parking for free for 90 solid minutes and na enkaibo ewo no afa BWF for omo delay areas of practice are omo delay within a family law, divorce and matrimonial, financial issues, domestic violence, and injunction, and a child care. Also practice in the area of immigration, business immigration, EEA, which is entry clearance, students, appeals, judicial review. And number 3, litigation and dispute resolution. If I say debts and our landlord and tenants disagreement to be any consumer credits contracts as well. And near Tosubium delay in Ghanaian law and practice. Land and real estate, citizenship, and family law. And when areas at BWF say umocho one bremwa ubetimi ako na omo akwako abuawo. Trying Uncle Benny, they're not make call for a quick commercial break.
This is our world. Here we are.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner, with over 32 years of experience and
Uncle Ben ho. Now yachi update for today since last week. Auntie Uncle Ben, over to you. Me Pacho, why you muted again? Okay, you're back.
Yes, thank you. Medofo Irene, anɔpɛ yɛda wo ase. Nuanom adɔfo, mo a mabɛka yɛ ho nyinaa yɛda mo ase. I hope sɛ anɔpɛ yi nyame nhyira ka obiara. Anɔpɛ yi yɛde nneɛma mmienu na ɛbrɛ mo. Yɛma mo updates. Yɛwie a na yɛahwɛ the main subject now. Ɛyɛ revocation of sponsorship license and how to fight the revocation. The first update mepɛ sɛ mede ma ɛyɛ about e-visa. Now, I a hot topic our community. Now, I dare me person me clarify and say, first of all, EU4 obi okuta EU asetena, okuta BRC biometric residence card, obi a yama na EU pre-settled status, obi a owo EU settled status. Mo a mawari EU4, mo papa EU, o mami EU, o brother or sister, o uncle. Ɛno nti na wɔwɔ ha. Wowɔ e-visa no dada, enti wonhia sɛ wobɛyɛ hwee. Mesrɛ mo, moma me repeat bio. Mo a mopɛ sɛ moyɛ e-visa no, sɛ wasetena no ɛyɛ through EU residence, enti wo card no yɛatwerɛ so BRC, biometric residence card. Na wo status no, wonyaa no under EU settled status and our pre-settled status. What e-visa not dada? Enti misrel men try say ube be because we try a ember. The entire American way, over the last few weeks, money ye be your office na Ghana for. Enti Ghana ni bia na community member bia o person wo ye wo e-visa. Obaha without appointment. Ye be yama. And we've been doing that. But also, EU4 ni omo busuafo nso oba. Enti, obeji ade na obe start the process no. Na wo nso ye EU ni. Na wo se wo san ka kire no na okọ because omo wo e-visa no. Obi be ka se Uncle Ben den na ye e-visa. E-visa no eye electronic visa. E-electronic. Eye electronic visa. Yɛde abɛɛfo ana ɛyɛ a egu ewiem enti egu internet no so ana egu cloud no na ɛyɛ ade a aban na ahyehyɛ ato hɔ sɛ obi a ɔwɔ kurom ha 1 ɔnyɛ British 2 ɔnyɛ Irish 3 ɔnyɛ EU ni ana EU ni a okura setena under EU settled status and pre-settled status. The entire made emphasis no ma EU settled or pre-settled status. EU for only be baha before 2020. Omunya omasetna. Up to now, bebre ense sign. Omo sign no mono ewasa mosesa setna no. Na moye EU application. Enti meka se obi owo pre-settled status and a settled status under EU route na wonhia e-visa na the American said we have application after 2020 ni ama either pre-settled status or settled status or e-visa na dada enti mframa ebo nyina wo de nka wo gina dada we need problem mo wo se mo ye eye obi a owo 1 biometric resident permit BRP are very critical. So what BRP, biometric resident permitter, I don't know the first clue I just said I was a e-visa. What the ano limited leave to remain, limited leave to enter, indefinite leave to remain, indefinite leave to enter. I was away. Say na woyɛ no. Wonhia email. Anɔpɛ menya phone calls ne fiti last week lawyer. Mo na moyɛ application no ma yɛn yɛsɛ mesrɛ mo. Time a yɛde twɛn email no etwam. Obi ahia email. Ya share link no dada. Anɔpɛ mo a mowɔ your contact list no. Yɛbɛsan share link na ma mo. Wo use link na. Wo indefinite stay wo limited leave o. Ɛwɔ sɛ wo register. We'll register at UKVI account. Ubie account a ɔmbɛsɛn code bi wode code no hyɛ wo phone mu a ɛbɛka sɛ scan QR code. QR code yɛ adeɛ square black and white bi dot sisi. O scan a ɛno bɛkɔ app bi so. Saa app no ɛno ana ɛbɛyi wo identity. Ɛbɛtwa w'anim mfoni ɛbɛscan w'anim features ne nyinaa. Ɛbɛyi ne nyinaa. Na wo wie na asan de wakɔ w'account nim. Na wo confirm baby a wo school wo baby a yɛwo papa baby a yɛwo security questions wo wie wo confirm contact details wo wie ne nyina ɛno abɛ link no wo be hu sɛ bɛ link no ewie a ɛbɛ ma reference number ɛyɛ 3434 once a wo benya 3434 ɛwo sɛ hu sɛ wo yɛ the right thing why wie no niema mienu na betimi asi immediately ɛbɛyi wo e-visa na ma wo be hu sɛ w'anim kama na da ho ma no a mo hyɛ wig no mesrɛ utwa w'anim na you wig no to waso achi because a scanning will facial features no it is a wig no tare w'anim a intimi scanning ne yi ene ntina bi mo wɔ hɔ a mo ntimi nya no menka ma mo ntwi pons anama mo nya makeup the make ne sɛ mo wig no mo yi nto waso achi na mo twa w'anim no photo because wo try sɛ obɛyɛ scan na obɛtwa photo a ɛkyerɛ sɛ na wɔ sɛ w'anim yɛ wabɔ maya afi a ɛyɛ okay ɛne ne nansa obi baa no wabɔ maya afi Muslims no amobɔ mayafi ɛyɛ fine woni problem but ɛwɔ sɛ mayafi no da w'ani akyi sɛ na betwa ebetimi ayi w'anim future woyɛ ne nyinaa wobɛwie no ɛbɛsɛn no email sɛ yɛayɛ wo e-visa no within 30 minutes or so no ɔmbɛsɛn no another email sɛ wo e-visa na yɛ ready once a ayɛ ready no wowɔ e-visa but sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a won't waste your time no wowɔ card a yɛatwerɛ so biometric residence card na wayɛ EU settled status or pre-settled status a mesrɛ wowɔ bi wowɔ e-visa wopɛ sɛ wohu e-visa na wode login with your card no menka sɛ scan no mese kɔ website no so home office na login wobɛhu sɛ wo phone ne wo biribiara ɛwɔ hɔ nti wo no wonhia mesrɛ wo ma mo waste mo time monhia the second thing me person me raise a British nationality registration for Nkola. Akola within a free Ghana about 111. So what person we ne British nationality under section 3(1) of the British Nationality Act a discretionary. So brother you see the word discretionary. I do all kind of say aban wo ho kwan enye ehye ba owo ho kwan. Bibi a wo ho kwan bia na nye hye na so obi nso wo bibi ho kwan a na nhyehyɛ na ya hyehyɛ no wundi ni nyina so a wutimi ne no kasa ama all those wundi so no say exceptional circumstance bi wo hɔ a wutimi e de ma wo saa setena no enti sɛ mo yɛ mo ma British citizenship na akola no ya nwo no wɔ ha wobɛhu sɛ ɔmo residential requirement 1 2 ɔmo wɔ time limit on how long I was a nipa natena ha. I was a data or application. Only time limit I want to set tonight. I was also indefinite leave to remain and I said settled status. So more share EU cards now, natural settled status. Or immigration rules are natural indefinite leave. Nina are the same thing. I was sending mommy and papa are British. However, aha, ntina make mass update. So ne mami and papa nye British. I was a oma reason, exceptional reason tia akola no opesa we no British. The fact that ne mami and papa nye British no nche say disqualify because law na requirements no e two pe. 1, you say akola whilst or ya akola no why application. That is all the requirement. requirement fufuro biara ni ho but oko guidance note na guidance notes no ana ɛkyerɛ the extra requirement bear in mind say guidance notes no ɛnyɛ law enti sɛ guidance notes no law no ma wo tumi na guidance notes no agye tumi na case of mahad ɛsɛ daabi ontimi because immigration law no ɛyɛ totally different from immigration guidance notes guidance no ɛyɛ manual bi a yɛde ama sɛ case workers no bɛhwɛ so na wɔde ayɛ adwuma nti sɛ wowɔ right under the law guidance notes no ntimi ɛngye but guidance notes no ma wo more rights a law no ntimi ngye mfiri nsɛm that is the effect of the guidance note enti yɛfrɛ case bi yɛfrɛ no pankina both the case of pankina and the case of mahad ɛma explanation between immigration rules and the laws the effect and then the immigration guidance notes pankina and mahad those are the requirements anything I may explain is that although say there were extra requirements under the guidance notes for British nationality under section 3.1 for nkola young woman still no wobetimi aye ama ye ama finally Zambrano yenim say Zambrano etwam 1 year ni but upper tribunal aye very significant decision say obi was Zambrano so na or call for indefinite leave na problem wo ho a e wo say wotimi use sa case the case ne kind of say British government entimi enka say ko apply for limited leave to remain under appendix FM and sana why Zambrano and yes successful and sana why Zambrano akisinya ba ye wakisinya 1 and akisinya 2 court ya go back to akisinya 1 significantly a key mamwa moda so was Zambrano so was Zambrano so a obehu se bi mo apply for indefinite leave refuse because almost a period na no more Zambrano no make me apply for limited leave to remain. Upper tribunal said no, that's totally wrong. The more was Zambrano so still period wa mo make me apply for indefinite leave. So what qualify as Zambrano router. 80 Medofo Irene way 3 key points yadema as update na say kwan wo ho a na akoye main topic so.
Uncle Ben Pacho, a quine ewo. And yemfa the topic for today, no, and fine so. It's here for so will send any message regarding update on Coben de Mayan na 07771950989 say ye topic and not ye befa phone calls also I will pen them no ebi I will kwadwuma nti will pen them peso bisa question 0208-133-4646 nti Uncle Ben me pacho yenko ye topic for today so na
okay well it's here for topic here yafe ade a eda yakoma so sana munim no ye community lawyers enti ye gina ho ma community no na as community lawyers no ye wo sana ye assessment about what is going on critically about legal issues say immigration and family litigation or dispute resolution and answer your Ghana law you try say you be breaking it down ewo ye kasem say na be ya obia beti ase ama say base ye de ye adwuma ya te ase nti mo be hwa every week bia ye videos too ba ko ye English ana ba ko ye kasa because sabe ye kasa no the nkyerase no ye different from brofo ana enye nyina nso na brofo no ye te ase yie the ntia na yakọ back to sponsor route a skilled worker route because of niema ye hu our community nim sa route we aboa ye community nim for the past 2.5 years aboa yen ama community members e de omu nuanom aba kromu ha mo ye adwuma of course na problems wo ho enti aban no e de ne ho bagi mu but uhwe list ye share 3 months ago ye creative portal BWF Solicitors website www.bwfsolicitors.com oko resource ubehun say me the list of omo wo care sponsorship, any other areas. Me the omu nyina egu your website and so. But we will be our share so. We will say almost every week be ye jing for be 50 to 100 license if you almost say. And then your community no. Ye hu say nkrofo bebre wo ho a ne afre BWF and Uncle Ben. Uncle Ben, ye revoke me sponsor no and I'm employer no. Ye revoke the license. Then ye nye ya my 60 days. Oh men who see a revoke nipa na nka nkyerɛ nti yɛwɔ hɔ a na yɛnya email sɛ yɛwɔ 60 days yɛmfiri kurom ha anaasɛ adwuma na kyerɛ sɛ mo a moyɛ adwuma no ɛwɔ sɛ mo nyinaa mopɛ baabi fa enti yɛpɛ solution ama the source of the problem na ɛde lead to sɛ yɛ revoke no first of all yɛnka ntu yɛ ho ɔmo a yɛhwɛ ɔmo nyinaa ɔmo a yɛgye license ma ɔmo a yɛne yɛhwɛ ɔmo nyinaa yɛhwɛ ɔmo so obiara ni hɔ a yɛagye ne license obiara ni hɔ a yɛagye ne license that's the first one because for us no yɛ advise ɔmo regularly about sɛ na ɔmo bɛ manage ɔmo nneɛma there was only one incident a obi a yɛhwɛ ne so ɔmo suspending the license ana ɔmo gye yɛ challenge ɔmo in May last month ɔmo de license ama no back because as far as they are concerned, because you are so you need to comply with all the requirements. You challenge home office and restore the license. And see you can say you share almost so nyina obi any problem because you handle almost legal issues. And we know you de ma send a beya more you so no also bet me follow sena you de protect it or more license I show so. Debia meka 5 duties. I may use them in some way at the can 5 duties. So duties no are very, very critical. So person keep a license. 1, a record keeping. 2, a reporting duties. 3, a requirements and compliance with the immigration rules. 4, a compliance with the wider UK law. And 5, respecting the UK laws, including employment rules. So, duties here, your friend, reporting duties. Ebi, 1, why ye visa ama obi, ya nipa no aba abedu, on start ye juma, was a report. 2, wafa obi wa ejuma se oye senior care worker, but ejuma oye no, care worker. I was a update your system no. Send a beya omoba compliance auditor affected. 3, compliance checks. Obia oye adwuma ma obia no. Se obe start ye adwuma na ansa na obe fa no. Wo niema a woye. The first thing a woye even for money laundering processes no, wo take the proof of ID to the passport. Record keeping na America no ebini enti wo HR system. So meka say HR meka human resource. Human resource no what it does na say it be ma capture some information we nyina. But critically no I was always no way analysis. 1, nipa na me fa no me ye adibi then I me ye o advertise keep evidence of the advertisement. Nipa na me fa no ono ye adibi then oye application keep a copy of the application. Nipa na me ye no me fa no me ye adibi then na me ye no interview keep copies of the interview records. Finally, nipa na me fa no me ma no offer letter keep copy of the offer letter. And the most important aspect of all this is a contract of employment. Mo say ma to me bo ase na me break him. Me say men ko internet so nko fa contract of employment. Anya wo contract of employment because the contract of employment no say wo hwe home office appendix SW your friend of skilled worker 1.1 5.1 ede corner contract of employment no almost specific items was said them. One, role or apply into the job title. Two, opening time and closing time. Obefo say any requirement, but almost say a requirement. Three, place of work. Four, salary. Mamen poso ha. See, I can say salary, and you be a wabo trimaka. Immigration rules, no, you will be a friend of salary list. And no, not first, near friend of shortage occupation. And no, and no discounts a womb. And I yawo other discounts. And I say, obi wo PhD, and I or yes term. Yawo discount be a demand a reduce points a so and a salary. But almost nina no yatum echo 38,700. Bikra 52. But within the requirements, you will be a ultimate discount. Mr. Unimu ya per lawyer no yama. Because we wouldn't be more trim to send will be frame or see the madam ne say or ba not why yamana or no 38.7 on count Mr. Okan. 80. So who issue COS, a friend of certificate of sponsorship. Now a 38,700. Now control 22,300 shawa. Adia why say what catch home officer one won't tell law nas. Two, what catch home officer what tell law nas won't deal law so. Now the reasons are on betimiajo license are almost three main subheadings. One, almost free almost say circumstances under which we will until we use the word we will revoke your license. And circumstances under which we will normally revoke. These two will, but there is a defining word normally. The normally bar just a discretion. My explaining discretion, mama. Where I buy no what discretion, say I was so revoke crowd bet me I can say own revoke. So won't tisa near say na omo troll near suspend no license, no more allegation, won't mean respond. Because there's a difference between a mandatory revocation and then a discretionary revocation. But even with a discretionary revocation, Mama 2 normally will revoke. There's another one, may revoke. May no, just say definite. Which means in all this, you will be a friend appendix, and I say annex C1. And no, I am mandatory. And you will annex C2. And no define the will no by normally, and no a discretionary, and you mandatory. And then the final one no a annex C3. When you know our more guidance notes in version 3, the advice I made more be say. One, we are employer now percent will far skilled worker, including more modern Crawford Baha on a voluntary basis, and no more almost stipend, and now only expenses cover more travel. So one immigration rules which is very comprehensive now, Mr. Faloya. Okay? The entire America say, Nkrofo bebree wɔ hɔ a ya revoke ɔmo license anything ki revoke because ɔmo ntimi explain ɔmo ho yie. Mame ma example. Offer care workers and ancillary nurses. Ɔmo wɔ care agency. Ukɔ ɔmo company house registration. Obemu sɛ ɔmo define ɔmo as employment agencies. Ɛhɔ na home office ɛkɔfa one of the reasons is free to revoke because under appendix SW, under appendix C, and I say appendix C1, your sponsor duties. Eunice will supply labor emma the business. When I was a employer, then it brings into focus what is employment. And in America said, I was a take contract of employment. There's a difference between supply of service, supply of labor, and employment. Employment, you can say, obi a employment. It is a legal relationship between someone who has been lawfully contracted to provide a service to a business owner, and then I friend employee-employer relationship. Now, that service is provided for compensation, salary, and our wages. Within the employment contract, all this is defined. But don't stop there. Go back and look at your job description. Over job description now, your friend BB, your friend SOC, 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 Standard Occupation Classification. Wo job description, does it comply with the SOC? Wo employ na. Enti obi wo ho a, o say mafa carpenter. No akọ internet, job description, carpenter. No a copy, no there yet because on person obefa lawyer, na lawyer no be fight ya man. Enti why ne sa employment contract or na sadly no people who have buy anymore employment contract of the actual who started reading I know I will say English and cry American English. Now that is not British law. Even under British law, no, England and English and Welsh law mostly and here was Scottish law. To be honest, more care no Scottish for law no different from more England and Wales. These are nuances, and my refusal and I J for license, either suspended, downgraded to a B, and I say revoked. Those are very basic things, any somewhere. The other part are me pese obiye, and this is also critical. Every 6 months be a review of your employees. When I'm a farmer, then I'm a farmer. Ne document ɛwɔ home office ɛyɛ COS, certificate of sponsorship. When we issue ɛwɔ SMS so sponsor management system. What information be ato so? Saa information a wɔde to so no, wohwɛ wo job description ɛne wo employment contractor ɛbɔ agyina ana ɛbɔ bra. Sɛ mmɔ bra a mesrɛw review no, ɛno nti na America sɛ every 6 months be able to review. Wo compare defined certificate of sponsorship and then who are you then away. Wo business plan no what run you may be wo and I say and I'm advertise it and I'm apply and I intina me person me do be figana ba enti mo ma me kwan na me fa okay what is our letter we are come home office. Say why advertisement obia apply into will be every Ghana by compliance audit and I say yatro dear Abacus Healthcare and dear Abacus Construction Limited o say o advertise na obia apply Mr. Adverts na he na o for copies bread evidence be any one will say duty of candor and now no credit no anya adwuma because we can drop. These are some of the factors that affect you. Enti say we pay defined certificate of sponsorship. Wo business case no say see na nya dia wo twerɛ 1 letter 2 letters dia ko. E was set with the business plan come. So the way many kwaku aye no Saturday be this is about 3 months ago. So America say we be develop business development. So we a business, now we need business planner. See our home office, omo will proof of business now. Omo will bank statement. Enti omo proof say in the last so many months, no, omo our employer who was car with it enti for our bank statement, bra. How can you justify? Say the whole year, last year, and I feel will be a jumana in the last 3 months. We income £5,000. We see we call employer for 4. San for 4 no obia 38,700 plus employee contribution of national insurance plus employer contribution of national insurance plus employer contribution of pension. Enti ubehwe mu no na wo contribution and wages are is about 40,000. Although it's a headline figure no 38,700 because also contributed towards their NI and then their pension. We say 1,000, 2,000, 3 abeka for the year, 40,000. But we income, 5,000. How do you justify saying for 5 years will be found will be First of all, your friend be a friend of genuine vacancy. Enti what create with genuine vacancy no or contract ABR where a carer who provide care services enti cancel amount contractor. So our contract na the amount to be she would the best generate a forecast. The American is a bit technical, but a idea was here can because I won't tell you a chiro bit me afraid. The entire I was a would they will contract now one would it generate a forecast. This year, now our contract in year 1. But in the next 6 months, when you have 3 contracts, contract be at the income and our payment as With him say we create proof of work and I will provide 4 people for contract now, maybe 20,000 a month. We create 5 people for contract now, maybe 25,000 a month. I don't know how they are forecasting. It is our forecast now, what they forecast to say on the basis of contract year we all those mean discharging and is free for the next 6 months say me one crop for 5 year me pese me dey free Ghana eba ba ku bia no de menya e wo ne hu ni why a business forecast for immediate and then the long term because a review only every 6 months because we will catch almost say in the next 6 months, no be any says way. And in the next 6 months, review say what any one any. I was so explaining what forecast, the entire margins, am them. So how do we, a business development? So we obi a run our business, and you be an otia say you be crowd or na on shadan school. Into the American, you're very strict. But in Crawford, one bit me about. Accountants, business development specialist. Yenuaba Angela Hesse. Obetimi create beautiful business plan amount. So we feed in with the right information. Plus the legal advisor what they support now. Naturally say, one business no solid. To say na businesses now you show mono solid. Say background plan so about investigation no obi anywhere yagye license na mmom baako a omo threaten suspended J yasa agye na ade back ama because ye na ye adwuma a onim a implement advice it's been helpful so advice a ye talk about omo no ene na me dey ache mo free e will reduce and I hope some mo amutie no mo be cascade advice na ma other businesses yenka so mo mra that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that community lawyers, and you provide this service free of charge. You buy reduce one. So na beya a beboa na omun lose license. Na mum we lose license. Me kasa no me kyerɛ wo nneɛma a wɔsɛ woyɛ. So why saa nneɛma we nyinaa wo lose license no na yɛkɔgye ne back ama wo is the most easiest of things to do. The last thing I'm person me ka want to say. The last case I G will be licensed back, man. Almost apologizes, say, my mistake. They admitted, say, my mistake. Because businesses, case workers, no more home office, almost tell business, I say. When I was explaining. And internet, they be put to emphasis on the business case. The business case is different from your contract of employment, different from your reporting duties, different from your record keeping duties, but it encompasses all 5 duties and no another business case. Timini about Irene and ne way and I'm a person medema will be a Sanabeboa community. Thank you very much.
Yo, Uncle Ben, yadase. Menim sɛ nkurɔfoɔ bebree tie obi wɔ ha ɔwɔ adwuma ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔfa nkurɔfoɔ ba ɛnyɛ simple saa wa involve lawyers from the start na bedroom baby na oho achro enti no ebia na wo cut corners so it may end up costing you a lot more enti yes more Uncle Ben efuto no de amaye no yentie na yemfa enye dwuma Yo, 84, aha, Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM. Utie yen ewo Facebook and so Rainbow Radio UK. And now utie yen ewo DAB and so ana tuning ana Alexa ana so say Rainbow Radio ya apps and so time mo aso sɛ wowɔ asɛm bi sɛ bi a wobɛtumi de atodwa wobɛtumi afrɛ numbers wɔ yi a mebɛ bɛbɔ yi so ɛyɛ 0208 1334646 0208 1334646 wowɔ message nso a pɛ sɛ wo sende a wobɛtumi akɔ Facebook no so na wasende na nso sɛ wobɛtumi awɔsape aba 07771950989 yo ɔfrɛfo odi kan mema wo akye na mema wo akɔ ababa dwumadie yi so
Major also anti-Irene, a patch of where dear.
adom nyame ɔde akyɛ yɛn na wo nso ɛ
Yamiadum or their chance.
yo meda se na mepatwɔ wasɛm bisa no wobɛtumi de ato hɔ Uncle Ben ɛtie o
So you, Uncle Ben, good morning. Patch of Tabako dear.
Oh, good morning, Henny. To say,
Yamiadum uncle. You
Good.
anti patch of question your back. The patch of they could have pre-settled under you as usual. Now, the per se, the copa me back. Or won't be 19 every Ghana ever. Now, me per se may use me yerin BBA. Me and Catano, me me pre-settled and then me bank statement. And the Majuma me akofa me bana. Me family yerin BBA and Kawana me that's at story. Yes. Aklan air bansa possible na uncle.
Oba visit.
Atwai.
Well, so Oba visitor win here Oba no hwee. Wa obetimi invite no because ohwe appendix V I visitor. Ade omu here omo kan sponsor. Omo say genuine visitor. 81 obetimi atua the travel. Obetimi anya baabi atena. Ti say wo na invite na na kyerɛ sɛ wo obɛyɛ ne sponsor. But ne nyinaa no ɛwɔ so no no justify reason a ɔde ba on a visit. Sɛ yɛka sɛ genuine visitor, ade a ɛwɔ mu no sɛ obetumi ahyew sɛ one ɔba a ɔbɛkɔ. Ɔba a ɔbɛkɔ no normally ɛyɛ dwumadi a odi wɔ Ghana. Obi a odi 19 deɛ ebi okɔ school. Nti ɛno yɛ very critical. Adeɛ bi ma yɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔba a ɔbɛkɔ no sɛ obi a wadi 19 deɛ men expect so no awɔ ne sika. Nti sɛ wo na wotɔ ne ticket ama no I was so justify the entire spend sika amano na or the abaha. And the final thing also say any pana or bano relationship no ya oba until so shows evidence. Because although under appendix V, any guidance notes for appendix V, see among family visit to more assembly, but the concept of family visit, under Article 8, which is family life, your life, although so you're adult, in certain regards, the emphasis on family visit and family reunion, no, you're strong. This is why you're bad. Explain exactly. Adia oba beye. That be the last time I'm home. When I was sending this car, usually will be onto the Momo and changing the Momo statement. 1 year analysis. Na mon funny nyina nka ho. So even 1 year Momo statement and our bank statement are now with the sending this car. Those shows a connection between you and the child. It is also your oba no waba ensra and answer waba visitor. Na no kra na wo ka birth certificate nso ka ho. Oko school awaji school letter. Say yes aka wo de be wie no tro. Obi o te sa me sure say wo university. It is on your level 100 a na che say aka no either 2 or 3 years. Na say university am say omo ye no 4 years, until na aka no 3 years. Into omo explain course a all year na the fact that I was so called back, data was so called back. Nina are critical.
You want to patch up, I think we SHS na Onyanto winning next year na Obeko. say or yeah you can crab hona me say oh yeah expert you likely say the banana.
Well, my main can't say Mitchell. Time I you know you were university no. Your makwanya, your baha. Your bar, a dear would the children say we university. So obi awie SSA. And on dresser or new beer on cano crack and our back room ha uncle. And America said, the justification for coming a day. Sir, well, you know, binds ra, one over, or mawaha, where she are. There been the last time I won. Then Tina, or spend the scan, I will spend, or buy him or better. Ne future plan yɛ dɛn wo so wanya adwuma kakrakra yɛ yes yɛn nyinaa yɛwie 6 form no yɛyɛ national service ansa na yɛkɔ university ebi na ɔyɛ no ɛnyɛ ebi na ɔyɛ a ada na ɔyɛ adwuma ɛyɛ apprentice anaasɛ yɛ dɛn adwuma no ahe na etua no those are critical issues when I was wobɔ no pɔ in a cover letter because application form no space kɛseɛ ni hɔ a wobɛtumi de wei nyinaa hyɛ the bottom line is say wo present it ante sɛ wokɔ interview you put your best foot forward. And in the best case, when I was sonny mu kama, na uma ink come, now try no brofo no I bet no. So we to me try. Watch no nicely, explaining exactly what the relationship is between you and the child. So your bapani awaka. Yen Ghana for no. Akwala di 30 years cry, ube say otifie. Because you ɛhyɛ bi sɛ ɔntɔ so ɔno ara bɛgyina ne nan so no woyɛ responsible for no wo responsibility no will be both financial moral and guidance nti nkɔmɔ a wone ne di no will show akwadaa di 19 deɛ still ɔyɛ akwadaa aha na ɔdo sɛ 16 wotumi start adwuma no Ghana no even at 25 a wɔwie university no still di a no te fie nti ɔda so yɛ akwadaa deɛ meka nyinaa ne sɛ wo na wasa wo kasa asɛm ne ho yie the fact say oye 19 a wo wies say oye part-time job no nkyerɛ sɛ oye kuhwini oba a onko saa default position a omofo sɛ ye de ye ba ha ye nko no wo na wo sɛ wo ɛyɛ bibi a friend of debatable ground enti wo de wo bɛka na ɛwɔ sɛ to aso no and bibia na wo sɛ ye logical so wutimi my explanation very likely so be manaba
Mati uncle, that's it, uncle.
In your Bema, way for a very small fee, you can go and see Uncle Ben and the team. Now, wow with the cover letter. We'll explain your situation now. Then you are guaranteed to say high chances of being successful with this application. Why?
Mati Irene.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye.
All right. Yeah, for your next caller. Hello, good morning. 493. Okay. I drop it. Ubetimi afre back 0208 133 4646. And I say 0208 133 1134. Me want message WhatsApp and so nti me pese me bisa ama oni akono. Oni akono say good morning Auntie Irene and Uncle Ben. I want to apply for a fee waiver. But good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. It's saying.
Nyame adomboko. Yada mwasini juma moye. Me pacho me question ma ya papa ne se obi bahane instruction. Na oba no went to me anko. Intino ama 6 months in we but to share o baby na eja omware. Na nani pani ye EU ni intino that was in 2020. It's 2021 on omodi tumuna onya krata. It's na me bisa say in case onya say time soon for indefinite no not apply for indefinite na. Say indefinite no eba. I learned say after 1 year no bet me apply for British passport. It's in a British passport that 1 year 12 months na so tina kum ha. No, na me bisa say is it calculated from that modest indefinite in a man no from that day no and I'll be calculating 1 year na and So 1 year ne do no because on wa betina kuma abro 6 months na ansana onya krata no. And no betumi affecting say onya ne British passport no at that time ana.
Well, first of all, no, I did a person me who say any pay or you then onya indefinite no or worry British and I say one worry British.
Okay. Or worry EU ni. Or worry EU ni, but after 3 years, no retaining or moja worry no retaining the right. And now the year 2 years in the car, 3 years now why you know that answer now yeah divorce no.
Yes.
It you know 5 years in the you know and up.
Kasa.
Hanti after 3 years no omunya issue no divorce here no retaining the right. And almost a man of 5 years. It's out of the second 5 years, no debate 2 years per edeka previous 3 years, no. I managed to do 5 years. And no apply for indefinite, no. And no more demand, no. It's at the moment, no. Or be calculate so after or say onya indefinite now after 12 months, no, or qualifies or apply for British passport. It's na me bisa say be almost say e be a character wise, no. So within all your years, what's now work according to rules and regulation now. Because of by 6 months now went to me and corner. Can that be used against him?
Or by 6 months I went to me and corner. How many years in it?
How? About 2016. And no worry at 2020 at the year at the J Carter. To no worry before EU for UK free EU.
What's your worry 2020?
Yeah, worry 2020.
And I said 5 years of mine. Or you don't know indefinite.
No, 20 we are in 2024 now.
Yes.
2024 no. Sorry, 2016. 2016. Yeah, that was 2016.
Okay, Mami answer. First of all, punishment.
I think the date in there confusing me, but Obaye no the summary is that Obaye no worry before EU free UK free EU ni me no worry we ye na onya krata no and onya after 3 years no onya issue be and then no divorce here. Okay. The question was whether because one court within the 6 months no buy and can that be used against him? Say you didn't go according to their laws and regulation.
There be first no more yes for the past 2 years no my jai say. The first
okay.
thing I was all kind is ono an application under section 6.1 and a schedule 1 of British Nationality Act 1981. Near maybe I was off for failing. I was in UK lawfully for 5 years. I was your man indefinite 1 year about. Within the 5 years, and he said outside more than 450 days cumulatively.
Okay.
Or I don't know.
Okay.
However, obetimi atena outside for up to 970 days. Say near maybe discretionary. I was English and then life in UK. Character and a conduct are critical. First, na omo de twiaso. But for 2 years, the first one overstayed, you find twiaso. Until no nyadi be affected. Why?
Okay, but that's it. The time so I'm recommending amount the time so but be why man for the British passport.
That's okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, bye.
Okay.
Line 2.
Well.
Good morning.
Good morning, Aaron. Pastor Boko there.
Adam, now swear.
Yeah,
me Pastor Uncle Benny here.
Uncle, good morning.
Good morning.
Uncle Pastor, so where you there?
Me who ye papa.
Your dog body after. If I saw Libra back or Jumum, Anna or say Mim Sacristi man or Tidia. If I saw now or ye under pre-settled, and I'm a free moon, and a free mono, and I go settled status. But if you can say for almost farmer, Ombusa document do a yama, and one man in Fielum Akahon. But your son in Fielum, no, Sinimusa say, obey me a dear to Quayana, and a second lane so. In Fielum, now so what Nasu and son what me a settle no. And I say, the Otanaso echo see the president in what national obey me a settle na that's it.
Okay, well, first of all, first question. Ultimately to kwa ultimately kobe bia or e-visa into December kra ukudi Christmas wa Ghana obeba EU for omo wa setena under EU law nyina omo e-visa omo obi enti ultimately kobe bia opeso okobia. The second question no I just say me hu reason tia omo no settle status ansa na metimi answer. Why?
Yo, Pacha can say uncover document via watna so kakra emra na or the coy no that date na if you for your busano when ya farmer no into almost time you no car home. Yes.
An American, I was say minya omo letter no. Sana wo waka no, but there was reason to America sir. Ube say sometimes omo your calculation will ma on bachelor da obenya settlement reason to winya settle status. See me who then I'll be able to do it because the year lawyers no sometimes the entire say a different from more among lawyers no men kase unima can kind the American say entire say no because me one year me expected to see in the letter. Having said that, me one year I may expect it to see so also I upload it. Once I have been married to, then we can calculate that obenya settle status. Why?
My uncle, me know ya dream plan, means round uncle.
That's okay.
Auntie Kohun, my woman and Kohun, Uncle Ben. Why?
Me patch you.
What number no?
Uncle. Patch on me the uncle Ben.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Uncle.
All right then. Yeah.
Yes. Never pass a chocolate tobacco with you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Line 2, 183. Me Pacho.
Me Pacho, good morning, Sister Ring. Good morning, Lawyer Bernard. Me Pacho, me question me with regards to e-visa. Minyon could be onyani indefinite leave 2002. And no dear no ebo ni passport ni. Or try so any e-visa no. And so I into me Pacho no ni dear no be anything.
Pacho pe King pa na fashion you na fetwa no ma because first of all ya sasa di hunsa over 1 year. Who paper who wasem no yenka because I was so what do ho ekochere home office biom near my card the amount BRP enti catcher ne say the first process ade was so you be some so be den one onko internet so na ombie Google ala any search engine on fanye apply for NTL and apply for no time limit. At the bar, on bisa no questions. Or BRP and our BRC. BRP no AF4. Omomo under immigration rules. BRC no AF4 EU4. Or say or oni emubia. On bisa so indefinite leave or say a paper or say I. Odd medofo a free. Ono na journey no say no obi a to kwan akodu middle ono dey afi no obe start but critical say ye be ma ye nkrofo ate obi a wo kromo ha wonye British wonye Irish mesra wo passport nim say wo BRP ana BRC wo BRC a na che say under EU settled status a woni problem wo BRC na enye under EU settled status or problem. I will say or upgrade your card. So what BRP uni problem. So what the nyama mabubo uni bi kra to so mo da so yi paper. who use paper any ink last ba could be a what to passport not to say bricks the first visa the man on a new ink and yet the 15 years Anna when you renew passport na or the guso Miss Remo obi a wouldn't card a friend of biometric residence card and a biometric residence permit so was sitting under immigration rules na o vignette and a paper visa and now wet ink the idea simona who apply for NTL no time limit free we are online now upload documents who ko bounce enche bia na abroad card sa card no and then our day we visa enti no card no e-visa no card no e-visa and no na was explain the man for why
Pachonti so person acquire British citizen animanimu heya dia or yet naturalization animanimu ya dia obetimi akotro life in UK nene English language no the paper dia na ye
sanity because paper dia no enkyerɛ sɛ oni asetena ade ɛkyerɛ ne sɛ ontimi upgrade enko e-visa enti ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ naturalization obetimi ayɛ ne naturalization ɛkwan ɛda hɔ ɛma no why that's okay
Yes, so yeah, that's Siminuaba. Your after side with Fidia to high Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM. We tell you what the evening so and now so say we bet me our Facebook Rainbow Radio UK. Me what messages were handy me person me reading okay, let me try and pick this call. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Morning. Native saying.
Pacho nyamia do me na pacho mama re only lawyer so pacho ubiare.
Yeah na ya ho ya. Me pacho to me bisa wasem why.
Yes. So I no pay the question ba so pen na. Na we bisa say me pacho situation is say obi a oye oni nkrata ukrum ha. Na me pacho oni be a work skilled worker, nurse ni relationship ni and kwala bema e bacho a bit as possible say nurse ni na we skilled worker won kata no bit me asa kwan bi so aboa na woni kata question.
Well, I normally will be beside question say I am a person ye question out the law no ka. Enti so fa skilled worker route now and a dependent won't qualify. Okay? So any pana only no unqualified. However, case no your exceptions and your exceptional circumstances. Into exceptions in a certain instances. And exceptional circumstances ye be potting beer a warmer brabo. Ubisa sa question here. The first thing I met me I can say, yeah, exceptions no my creating. The first one, be a friend EX1. Akwalana di 7 years will chromo answer ni Noah untimimba EX1. Akwalana yedim so nya British inti anon sumba. Akwalana ni indefinite leave. And akwalano enye only EU pre-settled status. Even under exceptions no my creating untimimba. Article 8. Over Article 8, family life, only akwalano or family life. However, say you share family life assessment, reasonably likely, say, your kasi free chromo have affect akwalana. Invariably, the answer is no. And those are the reasons here make a choice say obi wo skilled worker route na wo ni hwe na wo ne na wo unless say a deporting bi wo ha your friend exceptional circumstance no wouldn't because exceptions no more creating no on follow within and exceptional circumstances bit me area of the akola and I even ma no those are the circumstances I will be qualified but it seems to me, sir, on this basis, I won't qualify. Okay?
Nina Bema. Hello. Okay.
I'm so
I don't think I'm so cool. Yeah. Okay. Caller 826. Me Pacho, good morning.
Good morning. Moye.
Adam. Uncle Benny.
Good morning.
Good morning.
But you may be certain I so being indefinite. There's the saying the go saying or spend it outside the UK, they disqualify from getting a citizenship.
Okay. And residential requirement, I 90 days a year. And or under section 6.2, not just our warrior British, 3 years and then this year more than 270. So, or you see on na certain 5-year route, at the IS section 6.1, and this year more than 450. To 90 times 5, 450. However, there were circumstances where did more than that. Ubetimi use justification. Up to 960 days. Menkase, Obi Uncle Trobis, oh, Uncle Ben said we did 960. I have to
Okay.
Except 450.
Okay.
But so when the up to 960 days outside within the last 5 years. Now in your last year, wouldn't be more than 100 days outside. There were justifications be out there. Ebinisa one or Juma waha. 2 or a dime waha. 3 or family waha. Those are the straightforward justification. There are other grounds, maybe a medical reason to be a COVID. Because you say COVID time no be intimate to quite. Those are some of the extra reasons I will be to be in the area. But we have special knowledge. Your bonus wo na me pesa meka because so ma hu echi. We are Ghana ni na we free kromo ha yen stamp passport. Who could do Ghana so yen stamp passport.
Hello. Good morning.
Sister, hold you on. Why? Andrew was so quiet. Why? He does.
Okay, sure.
And boy our counter na obi beka when my dear friend abacus. I don't know I will call nursery near the kind 1 2 3. Who was sana obe measure no. Your skills are there, but the bottom line is any say more than 450 days, but in certain instances up to 960.
Okay, I know original so, but last year to November to March, no Ghana. The amount of people who say I'll qualify so wait to my fly.
And you know, Kwani, you November to March in Kwa. You had the last 12 months. I know you stand alone, and then you had the last 5 years. Nina ewo exceptions. Kromwa yemao.
Okay.
Yemao in share. Yemao kwaya ubetimi de di in share no so. It's discretion no wo, and those discretionary grounds on near amaka say up to a certain time no still ubetimi qualify. Okay?
That's it. Thank you.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's it. Your wow for a tablet and so no. 667. Me pacho ultimi ebisa. Wasem.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. John, what is saying?
Adam, yeah. Me pacho Uncle Benny too. Ultimi bisa wasem. Why? Hello.
Good morning.
Me pacho mama next one bisa question why?
The after because I see me thinking.
Okay.
Pacho obi efi or fi Holland na pacho pasanka okoya wari fi Ghana. But 9% bisa say nema ben sana making before say bakoya wari no. All the nipa no one pre-settlement status come see. And I also want both permanent job and another work. And my second question is may dependent to one lady, but or person or ye divorce, but I can me send me call Ghana and ntumi hu sɛ mekɔ Ghana ɔyɛ divorce na ɛba affect me stay no wɔ ha na sɛ sɛsɛn mepɛsɛ mehu sɛ
Ain't you quite dependent visa?
me yɛ dependent to the person. Now mpɛsɛ mekɔ Ghana but nansɛ na ɔfɛ meka kyɛn sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ divorce no.
I don't get your question. So are you married to this lady? Okay, so you don't. Okay, I buy a casa no. Or person okoya warrior. No, we should be our need no one will call warrior. No, that's how you put it. Like okoya warrior saying. Okay. So what worry lady no? Na and some way simuntem or person ojawo a warrior. Now ultimately trying na want to come na own jaya warrior no.
The bill already what they are doing the data.
Okay. All right. It took us
visa ban na we dependent. Work permit na EU.
Yeah, na me time tiaba about affecting.
Me patcho Uncle Benny bisa wasem why.
We are dependent under EU law and also under skilled worker.
Minya bema. Uncle Benny bisa say we are dependent under EU law and also we are skilled under skilled worker.
I'm skilled worker.
Skilled worker. Okay.
I had say we under skilled worker and patch up baby tina. Aye. Say nye yare bi na woko sa ho yare. Okay. Say nye yare bi na woko sa ho yare wo Ghana patch up baby tina. Because skilled worker route no onya eja or no report to pay. Omo be ma 60 days so much mo ba very unlikely so be ma ba. Or first question no EU ni ukra pre-settled, which means otikroma or koware under appendix FM. I was only £29,000 a year. I was say almost proof say relationship no a genuine. And to mudin komo omo from home. I was so chess or bana English and I be English language, either A1, A2 or B1. I was so chess or accommodation. Obey here 6 months bank statement, 6 months pay slips, employer's letter, and at the last P60. And an accommodation will be here tenancy agreement. Broadly, no, we need requirements are we here.
Unia Bema. Hello. Okay. Mefa your next caller 270. Hello.
Hello. Yeah. I'm
Carrie. Why?
Yeah, Uncle Ben, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, me pache friend feel. Na me was in this place. Na me say so mo ye visa. Ma try creative. But the creative ye no ade de me hu the creative ye me share na me hu online. But they say me hu view. I don't know ya one. And me buy my credit card. So you say December na nye juma bi. And to me because this kakra ya okay, no to me hayere me wona na ye me test no na me to me pass na me dey akoye book na this na come. I tell you me question.
Okay, so why e-visa na wunhu a ebia na technical problem awo. Enti from omo telephone number be start 03 or from ombe boa with a technical issue. Because when da, which means e-visa account. But ultimately komu biuma.
And me Uncle Ben me patro de me visa me say. Wo pesa wo check say we visa na he fa na wo be kwan so wo ebia wo ye wie na say bia bregu mu na so pesa wo check say we visa na ye aduma. He fa na wo be kwan so wo tuni a check sa.
Two ways of doing it. First of all, we call email ma link no mo send e wono. We betimi dey check it. And answer o call online o say o dey share e-visa be you home office website. Wako start. O the details are share na yaba. Why? The second question, as to whether.
Yeah, thank you.
The second question, as to whether, sir, me a British nationality between and any disease. Of course, me a. Oh yeah, we English, ne life in UK now passing kwa there. wobɛtumi the application ato. The joy of British nationality application is we application no koraa wobɛtumi agya hɔ atu kwan akɔ Ghana. Okay? Nti good luck.
Okay.
Yeah, Irene,
okay,
I'm
thank you,
saying,
Uncle. Meba, wunni pantu meba.
Mate, Irene, I'm saying, yɛbɛfa Pamela. Yeah, your time ano aso.
Aye, me will caller, last caller, my father dantino, me, yen tie no question area, na Pamela, abeto yeso.
Yo.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Rain. One Uncle Ben.
Good morning. Me pacho, bisa wasem why.
Until I no bra or are you uni or prefect or you independent. And I one fight training will be a call back 2 months. Now I am settle. Now I'm say a basa crowd. Then I say you're ready. So I am trying or just settle down. I say you're ready. You're the day. I turn on maybe some.
Okay, and yeah, law no bisa 2 questions in one. First of all, akwalana and then or entitled. Se papa no ewo pre-settled status akwalana benya pre-settled status. That is the first thing. 2, se bo pese mo twan papa ninya settled status obetimi a register ne ba no under section 13 of the British Nationality Act because ne papa benya settled no otimi register. Enti enne obetimi anya bibi. Echena nso ne papa nya settled na eno nso obetimi anya bibi. Why?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's it, baby. Mama basuni na unfortunately minti me emfa mo calls no. Mestre mo se mo be for Uncle Ben office number no so 0208 493 7340. Offer office number no so biti me aboa. Enti ye be kopa me la ho na yafa topic for today no. PM in English version. You are muted. Pamela, you're muted. Okay.
Good morning, Irene and Mr. Wusu. Good morning to our lovely viewers as well. Today's topic is how to prevent the revocation of your sponsor license and how to challenge the revocation decision. So, to begin, there are 5 duties that are very critical to follow if you want to keep your sponsor license. These 5 duties are 1. Record keeping. 2. Reporting duties. 3. Requirements and compliance with immigration rules. 4. Compliance with the wider UK laws. And 5. Respecting UK laws, including employment rules. So, under the reporting duties, some examples of the things you have to do as an employer are if the person you employed has entered the UK but has not yet started work, you should report it. Also, update your records to show your employees' current job title. So, for instance, if you have employed somebody as a senior care worker but they are currently working as a normal care worker, you have to report it and update your records so that when it comes to compliance audits as well, you won't be negatively affected. Under the record keeping duties, you should keep copies of advertisements you made for the job position, applications your employees made, interviews you conducted, offer letters you made, and your contract of employment you gave your employee. And please, it's important to note that the contract of employment, do not pick it from the internet because under Appendix Skilled Worker, the Home Office has specific items they look for in a contract of employment. So some of the things they look for are the job title, the opening and closing times, the place of work, and the salary. It's also important to know that the salary is not just any amount of money you think of off the top of your head to pay your employee, because the Home Office have a specified amount which they require employers to pay their employees. So please make sure you comply with that requirement. And there are three circumstances under which your sponsorship license can be revoked. This can be found under Guidance Rules version 3. The Home Office has circumstances under which we will revoke your license. This is under Annex C1, and it's a mandatory requirement for revocation of a sponsor license. Then there are circumstances under which we will normally revoke your license. This is under Annex C2 and is left to the discretion of the Home Office. And then there is circumstances under which we may revoke your sponsor license. This is not definite and is under Annex C3 of the guidance rules. So please, if you are an employer and you do not understand the immigration rules, it is very important that you seek advice from a lawyer. Also, a lot of care agencies are defined under their company house registration as employment agencies. This is one of the things that cause the Home Office to revoke sponsor license, because you're supposed to be an employer, supposed to have an employment contract with your employees. You are not supposed to be a supplier of labor. And there is an SOC, which is the Standard Occupation Classification, which you have to make sure that you comply with. So does the job description comply? You have to make sure that it does. And it's very important that every 6 months you review your employees. So who you employed, what processes was followed to employ the person. You have to make sure that the COS that you have given to the person or to your employee, does it comply, does the employment contract comply with the person's job description. These are all very important, so that when there's an issue with your revocation, or the Home Office wants to revoke your license, you can challenge the revocation of your license. So please, you have to make sure that you follow the 5 duties very well, so that if there's any issue, you can challenge the revocation of your sponsor license. Thank you very much and have a great day.
Thank you, Pamela. Uncle Ben, I had how many? I had 3 text messages which I did not read, and I feel quite bad about it because it came in about 9:45. Um, so there is one here saying that she wants to apply for a fee waiver, but the person given her free accommodation is receiving universal credit, and it's the same person's bank statement that she's going to use for the application, and wants to know whether that will affect her application.
No, that will not affect the application. That is even more the more reason why they are very likely to be successful with a fee waiver.
Oh, great news. The next question says, can an application on a family route based on a British child be done without any documentation from the child's mother? I think the person called, because I do remember this question. If I can provide all the necessary documents showing my parental duties or care.
Yes, it depends. If you've got a third party confirmation that you have direct access to the child, this may be a GP's letter, a social worker's letter, a school letter, a nursery letter, a club, so football club, swimming, gymnastics, piano. They can all write to confirm that you have direct access to the child.
Oh, great. Okay. I think the last question came in a form of a voice note, and unfortunately, I will not be able to play it because I don't know the contents. It might not be um good for to play. So unfortunately, next time, please kindly send a text message or call in. Okay, and TT for Memo Uncle Ben Asami up na yedi dwumadie no abewie yemre no aso apa ho kra. Enti Uncle Ben, your summary. of today's?
Yo, Irene, yɛda wase sɛ ɛnɛ wabɛtena akonnwa yi so na wo ne community no di nkita ho. We're very grateful. Saa nso na ɛda obiara ɛnɛ wobɛka yɛnsa nso ase sɛ mo asɛm adagye na mo ne yɛn abɛdi dwuma yi. The final thing I was yɛka ne sɛ saa skilled worker route na very critical sɛ ɛyɛ part of a regulated area. Nti sɛ wopɛ sɛ wonyɛ bi a na ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ prepared sɛ you will comply with all of 5 duties, including spending money to be protected, which is or legal advice or business development executive or accountant or boa ne nyinaa boa ama ne di mu wode wei a ɛdi mu nti ɛno ana mespɛ sɛ obiara hwɛ mɛma wadwen nkɔ adwuma no ne sika a wonya no nko a hwɛ sɛ na wobɛnya na biribiara boa yɛda mo ase.
Your Uncle Ben, you better monso as say Muyam Mayan. Nanko Ben economy patro, so pesa wo free officer ho anapay ya. 0208-493-7340. BWF almost 4th floor of the Anna House. 214 to 218 High Road, 7 Sisters. Postcode near N154NP. And for your better moise, mo share on Facebook, mo share TA or FM, no so DAB, whichever means we use it to listen to us this morning. We are grateful. Thank you. Make a time with us, same time, same place, at 9 a.m. on Thursday morning. A big thank you to you all. Have a great week. Uncle Ben Yedasi Bebe, Yami and Shro. Okay.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, 7 Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.